Welcome back to Fridays, everyone. Today we are going to do a modified strainer pour. It shows some fun rainbow colors on the side here, and I thought we could just do just a little paint kiss into the center, see what comes out. But all I did was take one of these strainers and I taped off a little square across so it's only leaving a section on each side. I already have our canvas pre-prepped. So for everyone that's new, prepping your canvas is just putting the tape on it, putting the pins on the bottom, and putting your base coat. So we got our strainer placed. Let's get the colors in our cup real quick. And I'm going to keep this simple. So keep Friday simple, you know. So all of you guys can go out and play and do whatever you're going to do on Fridays, or run errands, or whatever fun, exciting things you guys are starting your weekends off with. So I'm going to start off, probably going to finish with the black as well. There's going to be no white in this one, just black. Alright, so now that we have our black in, we have this. So I'm going to start this off by spinning it slowly to begin with, and then we're just going to do a kiss pour into the center. Let's see how talented I am. Probably not. I always wish I had a side camera, because this is the part where it's kind of hard for you guys to see what's going on until usually after it's done. That's kind of fun. So it looks like it stuck to the sides, but not the bottom. And that looks like they're going to have some fun skin, so I'll just turn them over. For right now, let's move these out of the way, because it's probably going to get a little bit messy. And I'm just going to start to spin it a little. Let's tilt it just a bit. Ooh. Ooh, I'm excited. I don't know if I should tilt off this gray or not, though. It's kind of fun with it on. Let's see what happens if I spin it one more time. I think I like it right there. So many pretty cells. Alright, so let's torch this real quick. I wish I could like give you guys more light. Hold on, let me adjust the lighting on my camera real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, so I don't know how else I can adjust the lighting on here, but let me bring you guys in. Ooh, it is not wanting to focus on anything right now. It doesn't know what to focus on. But you guys can see. Oh, this is gonna be so cool when this is dry. I cannot wait. But for now that we started our weekend off strong, oh, the blue, I'm gonna come in and get some high-def photos for you guys so I can post them. And of course, when editing, I'm gonna throw a high-def photo in the end of this video for you guys so you guys can see it there. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy your Friday. Go have fun, grab coffee, do fun, crazy, exciting things, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!